this time you crossed the line.
What's up, YouTube IPS aka InProgressStudio, back with another video as promised. So what we're gonna work on today is exactly what I talked about in the last video, and it is continuing the rest of the sphere within a sphere drawing. This will be part 5. Yeah, I think this will be part 5 of this how to draw the head tutorials. And yeah, that's what we got planned for today. And for the next video, hopefully if we get through everything today, we'll be going to the jaw. And yeah, with that said, like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications for more videos, and yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so here we are back in Photoshop where we last left off. And for starters, I'm just gonna hide this and create a new layer, lock that one. But let me bring that back up. So as you can see, last time we did 4, and what I said I was going to do in the last video was do 1 of 2. So to see how many I could do today, I'm not sure how much I'm gonna do today, but I'm looking to do 12 and at least leaving 6 over for another video. Still contemplating on that, but we'll get there when we get there. And I think with this video I'm going to talk for maybe half the video if I want to get some pointers in or not, and leave the other half as a speed lapse video so that it can run through a little bit faster. But yeah, let's get right into it. Turn this layer back off and go up here. So we left off on 4. Just gonna use that as a marker right here. So I'm going to use a lighter outline, red. Use a red outline, and let's put smoothing 15 today. Let's try it at 15. Never mind, let's do 20. Yeah, that feels better. These circles are gonna get a bit messy, so bear with me. So number 4. And there you go, you have number 5 right here. The next one I'm going to draw, I'm going to try to do it a bit faster and not take my time. I noticed that I was trying to make it perfect as I go, even though this is supposed to be like a quick sketch, but sometimes I get wrapped up into that and I try not to. With number 6, it's a little bit different, since every time I look at it, it always seems to have like a flat top. So when you're trying to do number 6, it's It might feel a little bit wonky at first, but you'll get it. When I mean by wonky, I mean like misleading to the eye. And there you go, you have number 6. I mean, that last one is a little bit questionable, but you know, at least you get the gist of it. That's all that matters. I hope. I'm guessing at least you get the gist of it. Let's resize it. I mean, I could cheat it and tilt it, but no cheating. I don't know why I did not just use a shortcut key. That would have been so much easier. Oh. Yeah, there we go again, see? There's lucky number 7. That last one was not pretty at all either. Wow, they're not looking pretty today. Or maybe they don't look pretty any other day. I don't know. You guys tell me. Drop comments. Just move that in a little bit so it lines up. Make sure my OCD don't go crazy. So now we're on 8. 8 is fairly easy. So it's just like a half cut sphere on the side. That one's generally always easy. It's like a tilt head. I start off with the cut first, just because generally it's easy. And that's number 8 with a weird looking brother. Both of them kind of looks weird. But you know, we don't judge. We don't judge. It really does look like a football. That's kind of awesome. Alright, we're moving on to number 9. Number 9 is also fairly easy, so this one should take you like 5 minutes. If you're not going as slow as I am. That one was number 9, also with his brother. His Saitama head looking brother. Just gonna lasso it, shrink it down a little bit and line it up. Where we're at? 10? Alright, let's go to number 10, which is basically like the same thing as number 8. I don't know, fairly all the ones that have a tilt angle to the left or right is easy in any case whatsoever, just because of the angle tilt.
Drop it.
And here we have number 10. We're getting to 11. Okay, let's just go to 12. And then we can call it right there. Oh, I'm pressing Control. Alt. It's a little bit bigger. Alright, let's do 11. Alright, that was number 11. Just gonna move that over, shrink it down a little, and shrink it up a little bit too. So, forgot deselect. Do the same for you. Oh yeah, number 11. Now for the final one, it's number 12. Let's mark 11 over here. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one's 11. Seems that we already did 12. Well, that's crazy. I got the whole thing mixed up just because of where we left off. But I guess that's the end of the video. And for the next one, we're gonna do the rest of these 6 rows. I think I missed this one. Yes, I did miss this one. This one would be considered as 11, and this one 10. So I missed this one. In the next video, I will add this one since I already said I'm gonna end it. But yeah, in the next video, I will add this one. Consider it as 12. Yeah. Or 11. I don't know, but you already know what it is. It's your boy, IPS, aka InProgressStudio, and I'm out.